The Accurpress ets-3000t-3-2164 is an all-in-one computer which is the primary control and input device for a large multi-axis tool. This unit came to us with a bad input keyboard and was partially disassembled. We rebuilt the power supplies, cleaned up the embedded CPU board, and installed a new keyboard. After all the work, the unit fully booted up as shown in the video. At ERD, we take the extra steps for our customers. This particular unit had an older hard drive for storing all its files, and as a courtesy, we provided a backup image to our customer of what was contained on the system at the time we received the unit. Many times, our customers need to use backups at a later date. In addition, we archive a copy of our own system for customer security. Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.